the new OBU has finally installed on my R1. Wow. Looks damn huge. It's so bulky.
I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You are not as tough as
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So recently I received a letter from LTA. It's not about inspection because I've just inspected my bike a few months ago. It's not about illegal modification because my bike is totally legal. So based on the title of today's video, yeah, I'm invited to install the OBU on my R1. This is what I always don't want to do or don't wish to do because I really hate the design of the OBU. It's so bulky and it looks so huge on the motorcycle. As you guys know, millions dollars were being, pumped into this project to develop this OBU system and also to replace the old IU unit. So in the future, there won't be any more ERP gantry. So by 2026, all vehicle will be required to install the OBU unit. And also in 2026, progressively all the gantry will be removed, so all vehicles are required to install the OBU unit. So the installation of the OBU unit is not just for motorcycle, it's even for cars. And so much money were being pumped into this project, and I don't like the design of the OBU. I'm sure 99.99% of you also don't like the new design of the OBU. So on the road, I've seen quite a few motorcycles have installed the OBU unit. Black grey in color, looks kind of nice, but then the design and the shape is pretty ugly. So if you guys are planning to install the OBU on your bike, actually you can just go to the LTA website and then search your vehicle number, and the website will tell you whether you are eligible for the free installation, and then you are able to find the authorized bookshop to install the OBU. But of course, you can also search for an authorized bookshop which is closer to your home. So right now I'm heading to the authorized bookshop to install the OBU. This will be the last time I will be seeing and you guys will be seeing this IU unit. Like I mentioned before, I really hate the design of the new OBU. It looks kind of bulky. I was given a time frame to install the OBU, so if I were to exceed the time frame, I'll need to pay $200 over just to install the OBU on my bike. Who will want to pay $200 over for the OBU? So for those of you who are watching this video, if you guys are not from Singapore, the purpose of this IU unit is to allow you to pay the road toll, the toll fee, and also the parking charges. So you need to insert the cash card or the NETS card into the device, and then the fee will be deducted from your card. And very soon we won't be seeing the ERP gantry anymore because those gantry will be removed by probably end of 2026. With $1 million of money being pumped into this project, actually in the long run it helps the government to save quite a lot of money because the massive ERP gantry requires lots of maintenance, lots of servicing, and it's being exposed to the outdoor element like rain, sun. So definitely there will be wear and tear on the ERP gantry. Ooh, this is a 90-degree bend. One more. Whoa, the road sucks, man. So the authorized workshop is somewhere around here. I'm not sure what's the exact location. I could find it. It's not this block, it's another block. 38, yep. It's somewhere around here. Oh yes. What's a motorbike, man? Oh, not sure how long the wait will be. From what I know, the installation will take us about 1.5 hours, so hopefully it won't take long. So this is one of the authorized workshop to install the OBU. So this is not being referred, and I don't have a preferred workshop to install the OBU because it's just an installation of the OBU. Let's push my bike up. Let's do some workout. This is heavy, man. Oh, so tired. Thanks, bro. Bye-bye. Yeah, so the new OBU has finally installed on my R1. Wow. It looks damn huge. It's so bulky. So the old IU has been removed and they'll be discarding the old IU unit. So once you turn on the bike, you'll be greeted with hello on the screen. Hi. Alright, so as expected, I was quite disappointed seeing this OBU on my bike. I don't really want to have this OBU, but no choice, because if I were to pass the deadline, I will need to pay $200 over for the installation, so I don't want to miss the deadline. So weird. Oh my god. It's pretty troublesome to install the OBU on the sports bike, especially bikes with fairings, because the OBU is so huge and bulky, so there's no place for them to mount the OBU. So the only way to mount it is right over here. Instead of using the traditional metal bracket, they have used the, I'm not sure what is this called. It's mounted at the stem or the 333 clamp. I've seen other bikes gotten their OBU installed right over here, but when you turn the handlebar, the OBU might hit the windshield. That's why I say it's pretty troublesome to install the OBU on the sports bike. It looks so bulky. So there are two things which I don't like about this OBU. It's because of the size and also the design of the OBU. And second is the power cable is being tapped directly to the battery. So I'm not sure whether it will drain off my battery when I'm not riding the bike. It shows time on the OBU and also the date. So the installation took less than 1 hour. It's pretty fast, and I've spoken to them earlier on. Every day they are doing about 15 to 20 bikes, which is kind of insane. And also they are pretty experienced installing this kind of OBU system on bikes. So hopefully the wiring job is perfect. Hopefully I won't have any OBU detection issues. So right now I'm going to the HDB car park gantry to test my OBU. Make sure it works, make sure the detector are able to scan my OBU, because I've heard horror story about the OBU is not working on certain car park gantry. So hopefully mine is fine. This is the brand new OBU, so there will be a 5 years warranty from LTA. So if the OBU is faulty, you're able to exchange one. If the issue is because of wiring, then I have to go back to the workshop to redo the wiring. I know there's one car park gantry here, so let's try. Make sure it works. Pray hard, pray hard.
Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You are not as tough as